Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Off-Axis Builds. In this virtual car show, we got some lowered VWs. So we got some cars that are completely slammed to the ground, and some with just a small little lowering kit on them. Check it out, guys. Some cool vehicles in there. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Hit that little bell for upcoming notifications, because you'll see my latest video on this one behind me, and also the latest video on the virtual car shows. Alright guys, check it out. Alright guys, thanks for joining me on this virtual car show. It was a lot of fun, got a lot of cool cars. We got a lot more to come. Check it out next week, guys. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that little bell for upcoming notifications. And remember guys, it's always built, not bought. See you in the next one, guys.